The Arctic tern holds an astonishing record in the animal kingdom with its incredible migration journey. Every year, these small birds undertake the longest migration of any animal, traveling around 70,000 kilometers. Their journey spans from their breeding grounds in the Arctic to the Antarctic, chasing summer and enjoying nearly continuous daylight. This extraordinary feat of endurance and navigation is made possible by their lightweight bodies and efficient flight patterns. Scientists have studied their routes through satellite tracking, marveling at their ability to navigate vast oceans and adapt to different ecosystems along the way. The Arctic tern's migration showcases not only the wonders of avian endurance, but also the resilience and adaptability of these remarkable creatures.